Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and relaxed. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. We're so happy you're here with us today. How's it going, Sophia?
I'm feeling great, Jake. Excited about today's topic. It's something that can really help English learners build confidence.
Oh, totally. Today, we're talking about how to make friends and have small talk in English. You know, those everyday conversations like, hey, how are you? Or nice weather today.
Exactly. And here's the good news. You don't need perfect grammar to make friends. You just need the right phrases, a smile, and a little bit of confidence.
That's right. So let's break it down. First, we'll look at how to start a conversation, then how to keep it going, and finally, how to end it politely.
Perfect. Let's begin with the most basic but powerful way to start. Just say hi.
Yes, a simple hi or hey can open the door. And if you want to add more, try this. Hi, I'm Jake. Nice to meet you. Hey there, how's it going? Hello, is the seat taken?
These are great for situations like a new class, a party, or even waiting at a bus stop. Sometimes people feel nervous, so you can also comment on your surroundings, like,
This class seems interesting. Or, wow, it's really hot today. That's called a conversation opener, and it's super helpful.
here's a quick tip. If the person smiles or responds nicely, that's your green light to keep talking. But if they seem busy or give short answers, maybe it's not the right time.
Yep. Let's try a short example. You start, Sophia.
All right. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sophia.
Hey, Sophia. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new to this class?
Yeah, first day. Kind of nervous, to be honest.
Oh, don't worry. Everyone's super friendly.
And boom, that's a new friendship starting. Just like that.
So now let's talk about small talk topics. These are the simple, safe things you can talk about when you're just getting to know someone.
Topic 1, the weather. Everyone talks about it, and it's a perfect way to start. You could say, it's such a nice day today, isn't it? Looks like it might rain later. Wow, it's freezing this morning.
Another good one is weekend plans. People love talking about their time off. Got any plans for the weekend? Did you do anything fun last Saturday?
Totally. Or you can ask about hobbies. Things like, what do you usually do in your free time? Or, do you like music or sports?
Just keep it light and friendly. And here's the key. Show interest. When someone says, I play guitar, don't just say, cool, and stop there.
Exactly. You can respond with follow-ups like, oh, nice. How long have you been playing? Or, that's awesome. Do you play in a band?
Let's show a short example of small talk.
All right, go ahead.
All right. Hey, nice weather today, huh?
Yeah, finally some sunshine.
I know. I was getting tired of all that rain.
Same here. So, do you like doing stuff outdoors?
Totally. I love going for walks or picnics in the park.
Nice. I usually go biking on weekends.
Awesome, right? It's natural, relaxed, and keeps the conversation going.
Let's not forget body language too. Smiling, nodding, looking at the person, all of that shows you're engaged.
Now, let's say the conversation is going well, but you're not sure how to end it politely. What can you say?
Here are some easy phrases. It was really nice talking to you. I've got to run, but I hope we can talk again. I'll see you around.
And if you're in a hurry, you can say, sorry, I've got to go now, but it was great chatting.
Don't ghost the conversation. End it kindly. That leaves a good impression.
Let's act out a quick ending.
You know, it's been great talking, but I have to get to class.
No problem. It was really nice meeting you, Jake.
You too, Sophia. Hopefully we can chat again soon. So, We've talked about how to start a conversation, what to say about hobbies, and how to show interest. Now let's move into more casual and natural small talk topics, like weather, food, or what's happening around you.
Yeah, and believe it or not, talking about the weather is actually a great way to break the silence. For example, you can say, "It's really hot today, huh?" Or, "I didn't expect this much rain."
Exactly. Weather talk is simple, non-personal, and everyone can relate to it. If it's cold, you can say, "It's freezing out there today." If it's sunny, you can say, "Such a nice day for a walk," right?
And if you're indoors, you can even say something like, "Glad we're inside where it's warm." Then the other person might smile and respond, and boom, you've got a conversation going.
Another easy small talk topic, food. Let's say you're at school or work and someone is eating lunch. You could say, "Wow, that smells really good. What is it?"
Or, "Do you always pack lunch or do you eat out?" Just a small, polite comment can open the door to a nice chat.
Exactly. People love to talk about food, their favorite meals, where they like to eat, what they cooked last night.
And remember, it's okay to keep things light and short. You don't need to say too much. You're just showing friendliness and interest. That's the key.
Now let's look at how to react naturally in small talk. Sometimes people worry too much about what to say next. But a simple, "Oh, really?" or "That's cool," can keep the conversation flowing.
Yes, some useful small talk reaction phrases are, "No way." "That sounds fun." "I didn't know that." "Interesting." "Same here."
Right, and don't forget to smile, nod your head, and use your face to show you're listening. Your body language is part of the conversation too.
Totally. Even if your English isn't perfect, showing interest with your eyes, voice, and smile makes a big difference. People can feel your energy.
Okay, now here's another great tip. Ask simple follow-up questions. If someone says, "I watched a movie last night," you can say, "Oh yeah? What did you watch?" Or, "Was it good?"
Exactly. You don't need deep questions, just short, natural ones. Even something like, "Where was that? Do you go there often? Would you recommend it?"
And what if the person asks you a question? Then it's your turn to answer, but try to add a little extra. Don't just say yes or no. Give a full, friendly answer.
Like, if someone asks, "Do you play any sports?" Instead of saying, "Not really," you can say, "Not really, but I go for walks a lot. I like being outside."
That's such a good answer. It keeps the conversation going and shows your personality.
Let's talk about ending a conversation politely. Sometimes you don't want to keep talking forever, and that's totally okay.
Yeah, maybe you have to go, or the conversation is just done. Here are a few natural ways to say goodbye. "It was nice talking to you." Or, "Well, I better get going. Hope to see you around." Or, "Have a good one."
These are friendly, casual, and help you leave the conversation with a good feeling.
And if you feel nervous, remember, small talk doesn't have to be perfect. It's just like a friendly dance. You give a little, the other person gives a little. That's all.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Start with short conversations. Say hi to someone new. Ask a simple question. Compliment someone's shirt or bag. Just start.
All right, let's do a quick listening challenge now. I'll say a small talk situation, and you think about what you would say in that moment. Ready?
Here we go. Situation 1. You're waiting in line with someone at a coffee shop. What could you say to start a conversation?
You could say something like, "This line's pretty long today, huh?" Or, "Do you come here often?"
Situation 2. You're at school or work, and you see someone with a cool water bottle. What can you say?
You might say, "Hey, that's a nice bottle. Where'd you get it?" Or, "That design is really cool."
Situation 3. You've just told someone they're going to the beach this weekend. What's a good reaction?
You could say, "Oh, nice. That sounds fun." Or, "Lucky you. I wish I could go to the beach."
Situation 4. You've been talking for a while, and now you need to leave. How do you end the conversation?
Try, "Hey, it was really nice chatting, but I've got to run. See you around." Or, "I'd better get going. Take care."
Nice job! These short moments really help you get better at speaking naturally.
And remember, it's okay if you make a few mistakes. That's how you learn. The most important thing is be kind, be curious, and just try.
Absolutely. Making friends starts with just a simple, friendly sentence. So next time you see someone, take a deep breath, smile, and say hello.
All right, friends, that's it for today's episode on how to make friends and small talk in English.
We hope this gave you confidence to go out there and start real conversations.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please share it with a friend and follow the Chill English channel.
And don't forget to smile, be yourself, and keep practicing. You've got this.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.